at my nose. It's small.
Nakawam pa. Yes, yan. Yan, malapit na kami sa aming trabaho.
Because he's so big.
Headyard, yes.
Maybe this is Muhammad Khan.
Ahmad what? What's your mom? Really?
Maybe
But yeah, the car now?
his father.
Oh, Pilicori.
You call that car?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Car?
No, I mean, you call that car? Is that a car? Is that to be called a car?
It's a car. Cargo truck.
Salta ka na, bakit ka na naman nanakawan?
Okay, si Rico may problema na naman po siya.
At nanakawan na
Nakawan na naman.
Bakit? Bakit ka na nakawan?
Pera. Ewan ko. Asawa ko, di nagsasama ng bodyguard.
Mayaman na kasi si Miko ngayon, mayaman na.
Ito na, nakasakay na kami sa elevator. Wala na lang. Parang walang nangyari. Kailangan up and work again.
Wala. Mayaman na si Miko Lodjan.
Open na. Open. Pakita mo yung ilaw. Open na.
Open sesame.
Sesame.
Oop.
Go.
Yung dalawa.
Welcome to our spa. Hiya. Come in, sir. Hi.
So, tell about yourself.
Introduce yourself. Introduce.
Yes.
Your name.
name.
My name?
Yes.
My name Muhammad Jamal.
That's all that you can say?
What?
Age.
Are you grade
I
1?
24.
24.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm single.
I'm single and
Not
I'm
double.
bakla. You said you...
I want to be triple.
Diba?
Ah!
Pasok. Ito yung mga tawal. Tawal namin. Ito ang kanya-kanyang room ni Big Brother. Room 1. Jake. Diyan ka, Jake. Room 2.
Yes! This is my room, baby. This is my room. Please come in.
Show up.
Ang bilis ah. Yung shower room.
Chill.
Dito ka po. Pakita mo yung mga design. Siguro pakikita na guys ako mapagkamalan. Taga-ayos na pala tayo ng bed dito. Okay, pose it.
Poset. This is Poset.
Pose it. Gago sinkian. Pose it yun. Okay, goodbye. Sayonara.
Okay, let's go to another room. Ano na? Room ko to, kwarto. Dilim, dali. Buksan ko lang ilaw, ha. Tchadan! Madilim pa rin. Okay, guys, muna ako. Labas muna ako. Madilim. Yes. Sarado. Wala pang mga tao. May gumagawa na sila, Sai? Big Brother, si Lito. Gumawa na. Quarters na. Ha? Braot?
Yung na-request ko yun eh.
Oh.
Nakita na ako. Siya sa gusto.
Siya siya nakita.
Pasok namin, dito na yun eh.
Baka bog mali. Ha? This is the two T-boy. This T-boy. This is T-boy, Salim. What's your name? Salim. Mr. Salim. Introduce yourself. What's your name? What's your name? Salim. How old are you?
24.
Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Okay, you married?
No. I am not married.
Single. You want madam?
Yes, I want madam.
You go Philippines?
Yes, of course.
Very good, very good. This one. Hello.
Terus sih.
Yes, what's your name?
Umar Faruk.
Omar Farooq. Your age?
25.
25? You're too old. Are you married?
Yes, I have two guys. Cameraman.
Okay. You want madam? No. Married? You don't want?
I have two cameramen.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
Same T-boy. Bangladesh. Okay. You sing. Very good. What's that? What's that?
20 real, 20. 20 real, ha?
You speak to my Balowachi.
Sih.
I will 20.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sino 5, 3, 4?
Praying. Makita tayo. Delicates tayo dyan. Hindi ba natin sila mag-pray. 0 1 2 3.
Take your real.
Hindi ka na naubusan ng problema to lah. Sakit sa ulo niyan.
You need to order from that restaurant?
Okay,
I'm going outside now.
Okay, I'll just talk to them. Get order. Okay.
This one will.
Order tayo. Oo. Lahat tayo. Tanong natin sa kanila. Okay.